Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Today I'm going to do a mic review and just to help you decide if you want to buy it or not. And the mic that I'm going to review is the Movo. But before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Alright guys, so I bought this on Amazon for $49.95 and it's compact and powerful, noise reduction, universal compatibility because it can work with your phone, tablet, laptop, camera, and also camera recorders. And it have a shock mount, so whenever you move too much, it doesn't affect that, you don't get that sound, that beating sound in the audio. Now this is the Movo VX10 Pro, and as I said, I paid $49.95 on Amazon. So it came like this. After I took it out of the package, it came like this, and then in here you would open it up, and then it have a little nice case. I love that, labeled and all that. Love it. It's very firm and very nice. And then I'm going to open it up. First I'm opening it, and in there, this is what's in the box. You get your instruction, you get a smiley face, I guess to say you're happy with your product, happy with your product or not too happy. You get a sticker so that you can stick it somewhere, and I think you can go online and make content and they'll feature you or something like that. So in here you have the mic, you have the cables. This is for your smartphone and this is for the computer. This is for your smartphone and this is for your camera. And this is the shock. This is the pin guard, and that's how the box look. So it's this small or this big. It's like this. So the thing that I like about this is that you have two input. Here you put one of this is for the cable that you're going to plug in your camera or your phone and record, and you can also put a headphone in there and listen what's coming through, so you can know if there is noise or anything that's, you know, that will make the audio off. So that's a plus, that's a good thing. And it also picks up sound from the front, from the side. So if you're here, it actually will hear you. If you're here, it will hear you. If you're here directly in front of it, it will hear you. A lot of the mic just pick up audio from the front, and if you're to the side, it will not hear you that much, and it gives you a very natural sound because you're actually picking up more of the person in front of you, and you can also hear stuff that's around but not too much, so it gives you a very natural audio. So I love that about it. So I'm gonna connect it to my camera. Alright, so you're gonna put the shock up here, and this is plastic guys, but it's firm. Love that. So right now I'm just connecting the mic to the camera so that you guys can have a better visual of how it will look on the camera, and you have a better decision to buy if it's too big, if it's too small. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm showing you now on the camera. Then you have the card. And the good thing about this, guys, it doesn't use batteries, or you don't have to charge it up. What it do, it feeds off the camera battery. it's kind of good and bad because it will suck your battery from your camera, but the good thing about it is that you don't have to worry about you forgetting to turn on the mic or turning it off, because a lot of times I did a video with my dad, like the only video I ever done with him, and it was so nice. I wanted it, like it was so good. And at the end of the video, we did Q&A. At the end of the video, we realized that there was no audio, so that was a bummer. So the good thing, when you turn on your camera and you are ready to record, then the mic is also ready, so that's a plus. So this is how it will look on the camera, not too much. So we're gonna go ahead now and test it. So this is me recording without the mic, and I just want you to hear the difference, if you can hear the background noise and so forth. So this is me without the mic. Okay guys, so this is me using the mic, and I just want you to know the comparison, if it is worth it, if it eliminates the background noise, and if it makes my voice more clearer. And yeah, so let me know what you think about this, using the mic or not using the mic. And bear in mind that I'm using my phone, and my phone is somewhat high-tech, so it helps to reduce the background noise also. Let me know what you think about this. Alright guys, so I just want to end off this video with my honest review, and I come to you in a different setting because it's been like a month after I suffered, and the reason why I waited that long is because I want to give you my honest review. So after using the mic for about a month and a half, I have no problems, like literally I have no problem. And I bought a mic before, and that was a big waste. I was disappointed, and even though it was cheap, you know, I thought it would have supposed to do what it's supposed to do, and it never do nothing. Alright, so when I bought this mic, you know, I was a bit hesitant, but then I was like, okay, it's $50, I can probably chance it. But then before I do that, I did a lot of research. I did my research, and I was like, okay, this is the best buy in my price range. And when I bought it and I start using it, I realized, yes girl, you got a good mic. So for all those YouTubers out there, anybody out there that want to do like outside activity, want their voice to be amplified more, to reduce the background noise, and you know, to get quality for their money, this is the mic for you. I am not getting paid, I'm not getting sponsored, I'm just giving my honest review on this mic. It is very, very good, and it may not work for everybody, but it worked for me. I'm just saying that as a disclaimer, so no come cuss me when you buy it and it not work, but this is my honest review. It worked for me, and I suggest that you give it a try. If you don't have the money to buy the big old mic, them like where the big YouTubers them can buy, the big you know, directors can buy, try the mic out, because really and truly I wanted a Rode, but I never have the Rode money, so I went to Movo, and it is giving what it's supposed to give. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you reach this far in the video and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? Like, it's free, F-R-E-E, free. Subscribe, turn on the post notification, like, tell a friend, and thank you for stopping by. Bye.